And today we're doing another package unopening. We're going to call this the influencer haul or whatever. These are potential products that we have reviews on and some of our personal stuff too, but we open these packages almost every day and we just want to share the experience with you. It's not a flex, it's not a brag, it's to give you an insight as to the daily life of the influencer family. So without further delay, we're going to go ahead and start opening. Per usual, my wife is here to help Savannah, but she's sitting right there. Oh, this little microphone's in the shot. But she's not dressed yet. It's early, and she didn't want to come on camera. But anyway, we're going to go ahead. We're going to open these up. This is the first one I'm going to do. Who is this to? This is for you. You open that one.
You don't? Are you scared?
It says your name. This says just my name, Stephen only. And this is not mine.
What is it? Oh, that's for me.
Under my name again.
2 of them.
What is this? Travel what?
Like a organizer thing.
Okay, so
I got
travel
2 of them?
organizer things for Savannah with lemons on them. Makes perfect sense. I would personally have avocados.
Here, I can't get it.
All right.
Sunglasses?
Oh, the sunglasses.
I did not order sunglasses. Oh, it's going to be the big old float for the pool.
A pool float?
Yeah, a big one.
Okay, a giant pool float. Is this something you bought?
No.
Oh. Did you buy this?
No.
Cool. And we also, in one of the envelopes, we got a pair of sunglasses. These, I'll let Tanner pick out, but they're so nice I just might have to keep them myself. So wow, we're doing good today.
Bennett?
You can open that envelope. And I've been waiting for it. It's my race car fuel. Time to terrorize the neighborhood with BP racing fuels.
I didn't buy that one either.
Oh, we have an electric sonic toothbrush. We've been doing a lot of these this year. This has got to be, what, the 4th, 5th one? At least.
Our kids each have a couple.
Yep, so pretty cool. Whoops, where do those sunglasses go? Oh, I'll put them in here.
All right.
In case I got to do an unboxing.
I have a feeling this is what I personally got this one.
Is that a kitchen mat?
Mm-hmm. Put my new metal one.
Oh. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Who sent this to me?
I have no idea.
It's a drone, and I have no idea who sent it. This is a Urine Hub, URANHUB, UG600 foldable drone with GPS. It's going to be a great review. I don't know who to credit this for, but I'm sure they'll send me an email saying where's my video. I have no idea. Oh well. Look forward to this review. It's going to be on Bennett's Reviews, or Reviews and How-Tos is the name of our review channel. And it'll also be on Amazon, of course.
Drawing mat.
And this is a drawing mat?
Drying.
How are you going to draw on this with all those bumps?
Drying. Like
drying. Oh. So this, you wear it around your neck, and whenever you lose at another game, you just cry and it keeps you dry.
So you probably should keep it on.
Actually, this is for Carter. It's his current chore right now to do dishes. And this is goes on your countertop, and it collects the water, keeps your countertop dry. We bought it, but we will review it. So, that's going to be it for today's packages. Short and sweet. Luckily, we had way more influencer packages today than we did personal packages, which is always a plus. And as per usual, if you like videos like this, leave a thumbs up. Drop a comment as to what you'd like to see. If you'd like us to do something different. If you think it's a total waste of time, just keep that to yourself. And have a great day. We'll see you guys later. Bye.